Hello everyone and welcome back to this video series. My name is Cornelia and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a data extension into Image Studio. Well, as you can see, I'm already logging into Marketing Cloud. So let's navigate to the navigation bar there and hover over Image Studio and click on Email. So the email overview page will appear. From there, go on the subscriber tab and click on data extension. We get to the main data extension folder where we can see all these default data extensions which are included with Marketing Cloud when we buy the product. So we can use this data extension through Contact Builder. So I recommend that we shouldn't get rid of them. To create our data extension, let's go to the top right corner of our screen and click on Create. As you can see, we can create different kinds of data extension. We can create a filtered data extension or a random data extension. In our case, I'm going to create a standard data extension. So click on OK. So now, to create a new data extension, we have to complete these following steps. So let's complete the first step by filling the boxes underneath. And let's give a name to our data extension. So I'm going to give this data extension a name and I will call that customer. Regarding the external key, I will keep the external key empty because Marketing Cloud will generate an external key for us automatically. Regarding the description, I will write this table is used to hold the contact who opted to receive email. Okay, now I will use this data extension to send email or to test email. Because of that, I will tick the box is sendable and also the box is testable. All right, so let's move on and click on next. So the second step here is about the data retention policy. So if you would like to delete the data extension or delete the record in there, you can turn on this feature. So after a period of time, your data extension or the record will be deleted. In our case, we will keep the data extension and we will not delete that. Also because I will use this data extension in my next video. Now, let's move on and click on next. So, the last step is about adding the field in the data extension. So I will start with the primary key field, which is customer ID. Okay, and I will add the first name and the last name, and we'll add also an email, of course. And for the email, I will change the data type and put an email address as a data type. Also, you have to know that when we create a data station, it's very important to use the appropriate data type. If you don't use the appropriate data type, you can encounter some issue with your data. For instance, you will not be able to load properly your data. You can encounter issue with the data importation, or you can also encounter issue with your query. So it's really important to use the appropriate data type. All right. So now I will add another field, which is the opt-in. Opt-in email, and this one will be a boolean, and I will use as a default field false. Now, as a send relationship, I will link the customer ID with the subscriber key. Also, there is something else to know there, is that the subscriber key is the field who identify each record uniquely in Email Studio. In the other studio, we have what we call contact key, and the subscriber key is equal to contact key. And when we load a record into Marketing Cloud, to be sure that in Email Studio you have appropriate identification, you have to use the primary key linked to the subscriber key. And you will also note that it is possible to use an email address, but Salesforce doesn't recommend to use the email address as a primary key, because that will generate duplicate data in your system. Okay, it's very important to know that, to have accurate data in your platform. Okay, so we're done here, so I can now hit the button create. Let's say this data station already exists, so I have to change the name. So let's move back, and I will say, just if I say customer, let's say customer test. Okay, and we go back, and now let's click on create. Woohoo! As you can see, we have our data extension created, and we can see that the external key has been generated by Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So one thing else to know, we can add new field in the data station afterward. So this is possible. Just want to show you that, so you know. So yeah, we reached the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to read them in the comments below. And if you like the video, let me know with a like or subscribe to my channel, and see you soon for the next video. Bye for now.